guys, welcome back to another video. So today we'll be doing a toy review. Okay, so let's get on with it. The toy we'll be doing today is the Negotiator. It's a Nerf gun that can hold 8 darts and it has a rail. It has extra grip and you have to cock it. Okay, so that's gonna be it for this for today. Like, subscribe, and click the bell. I will see you never miss a new video. Peace.